One way to learn guitar as an older adult is to think of it as something you build into your daily routine for wellness. How about anxiety management? How about peace of mind? If you've been following my channel, you know that I come from a background of trauma. I was plagued by anxiety for what seems like forever, and that is now gone. Not only can you recover, but you're not alone. And there are many people that probably have a very similar story to yours. Let's get into it. Okay, so this is going to be 3 chords. And if you can't do the chords the way I'm showing you, that's okay. But the most important part, I would say, is to find a way to express what's going on in here and in here through here. And then we do that by also breathing. And by the time you're done with the session, you'll feel a sense of calm. So I'm going to start with the G chord. There's one way to do it. There's one way to do it. There's one way to do it. And for the sake of, like, I guess, emotional management, I like using the bar chord because I can squeeze it and it gives me a sense of power for whatever reason. It just feels good. And then I'm also going to slide up to the 7th fret, which, hold your horses, there's an easier way. But on that 7th fret, there's an E minor. And I like it because it's got kind of a haunting tone to it, which is part of the story. But there's also, of course, the E minor up here. And if you're a songwriter and you want to get better at writing your songs with guitar, something very valuable to do is to use the same chords, but in different positions. It just adds an element or a layer or dynamic to the song. Okay, so this is a song called Hollow, and it starts with a G chord.